Hey guys, my name is Alex Gaboury and I create hair tutorials here on YouTube. And for today's video, I wanted to share with you a really beautiful braided French twist. This hairstyle will be perfect for any parties or special occasions that you might be attending this holiday season. So let's go ahead and get started. To prep, I first applied the thickening tonic. I love this product, especially when braiding, because it instantly thickens the hair and expands the strands from roots to ends. Next up, I applied the Texture Tonic. This helps to define and enhance the hair's natural texture, and the cane sugar and salt work to create soft, touchable hair that's perfect for effortless updos. After blow drying, I applied the Shampure Dry Shampoo. This is my secret product for adding volume to my hair, and it makes for great braids. It's non-aerosol powder, so give it a little shake and squeeze. I focus this throughout the crown, and it just absorbs any impurities and excess oil in between shampoos. And then just massage the powder into your scalp. All right, time to create our braid. First step, grab a 1-inch section of hair at your part near the front of your face. I've pinned away my bangs, but feel free to include all of your hair. Next, grab another 1-inch section of hair just below that previous one at your hairline. Now, with these two sections, we're going to create a lace rope braid. First step, bring the bottom section up and in front of your top section, and then bring your top section down. So we've crossed one over the other. Now, to create the lace portion, we want to add hair only into the bottom section. I find it easiest to cross the bottom section over first, just like the last step, and then add in the hair. So gather a 1-inch section of hair from your hairline, making sure it's completely sectioned off to prevent tangles. And then cross it up and over, joining it into that top section. And then that's the pattern. So repeat the same steps. Cross the bottom section up and in front of your top section, bringing that top section down. Grab a 1-inch section of hair from the hairline, ensuring that it's completely sectioned off. And then cross it up and join it into the top section. And you just want to continue those same steps. Take your time and try to keep your braid tight and close to your head. So continue braiding, directing the braid towards the middle of the back of your head. And as you reach the back, continue grabbing 1-inch sections from your hairline. Once you've reached the middle, clip your braid against your head and give your arms a well-deserved break. Now to make it pop, this is my favorite part. Hold the base of your braid with one hand and begin pinching and pulling on each twist with the other. Start at the top and work your way down, and I recommend pulling a small amount as it's easier to make your braid larger than it is to make it smaller. Once you're happy with your braid, unclip your twist, and I snuck in a bobby pin just to help hold it in place, and then secure all of your hair into a ponytail. Now to create the French twist. We're going to create a sideways topsy tail. So make a hole with your index finger at the side of your ponytail and just slide your finger underneath your ponytail to the other side, like this. Once it's through, hook your ponytail, and I find twisting the ponytail together can really help. And then pull all of your hair through that hole that we made. Now, it might feel tricky at first, but you can pull it all the way through, I promise. Once it's through, make sure to pull it tight so that your hair elastic slides almost underneath. And then fan out that left side, and you can see that it gives the French twist appearance. Next, divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections and begin crossing the left section over the right all the way down your ponytail. Secure your ends into a bun with a small elastic, and this will just help hold everything into place. Then bring your braid up the right side of the twist and just begin playing around with the placement until you're happy with it. And then begin bobby pinning the underside to your head. Now, if your hair is longer like mine, just bring your braid down the middle and tuck the ends underneath the braid. And then add a few more bobby pins to secure everything into place. And then I used the Air Control Light Hold hairspray. I love this stuff. It sprays on dry and it helps protect against static, which is very important during these colder months. After I spray it, I like to run my hand across my hair just to smooth everything down. I love how unique and elegant this hairstyle is. I think it's perfect for the holidays. So there we have it, you guys. I just love the way this hairstyle turned out, especially this braided detailing. Imagine going to a party and showing up with your hair like this. It would be so fabulous. But I really hope this hair tutorial helped provide you some hair inspiration for this holiday season. And if you're not already subscribed to Aveda's YouTube channel, make sure you are, because you don't want to miss out on any of Aveda's beauty tips, tricks, or amazing products. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.